Hey, if you want to know where the photo was taken on the Samsung Galaxy A35 5G, first of all, you have to remember about unlocking the location tags. So we have to click on the left upper corner on the settings icon. Now we have to scroll down and you have to click on this switcher of the locations tags. Now when you do this, you will also have grant permission to the location for your camera, so you will get this pop-up notification. And after this, just take the normal photo. Now open this photo and click on this information icon. And as you can see from this, you can find the exact location where it was taken. Take a look. Now it's also visible on the Google Maps. So here we can actually find all of the photos. And yeah, that's pretty cool. From this, you can also get the date and the time. It appears just right here. So that's all for this video. Right now, please subscribe.